The AI industry is rapidly advancing, influencing various sectors, and changing the world. We may not be replaced by AI, but those who utilize AI might replace us. If you're a content creator, you should be familiar with these AI tools to enhance your competitive edge. Number 1. For film industry professionals, Sora. Sora is one of the most anticipated AI tools this year. It can create videos from text. Previously, a team spent at least tens of thousands of dollars on creating studios and special effects, but now people may only need to type a few lines of text to generate high-quality videos with vivid light and shadow effects that are difficult to distinguish between real and fake. We can imagine that one day, people can turn their images and stories into a movie with Sora, and then everyone can become a director. Number 2. For modelers, Luma AI. Luma AI is a tool that can generate high-quality 3D models using photos or videos, capturing the details and lighting effects of the scene. With just one mobile phone, real-life objects, characters, and environments can be transformed into precise models. In the future, Luma AI can also synchronize VR, AR, and other devices, and can bring desired scenes into the virtual world. This year, they've introduced Genie, a text-to-3D model capable of creating any 3D object you can imagine in under 10 seconds. Number 3. For office workers, Gamma. If you are a document worker, using Gamma, you no longer have to spend time searching for templates online, do tedious PPT design, assign images to each page of PPT, manually adjust font thickness or other similar operations. Gamma is currently the most widely used AI PPT making tool. Although there are still many areas that need to be improved, it greatly facilitates those who need to do PPT frequently. Number 4. For programmers, Warp. Warp is a command line tool that has been featured at the OpenAI launch event. It is written in Rust, and if you are a programmer, especially a beginner, Warp can help you reduce many errors that are prone to occur during the programming process. It may lower the standards for becoming a programmer, making it easier for more beginners to enter the programming industry. At the same time, it may also put pressure on professional programmers because you must have a higher level of programming skills in order to survive in this industry. Warp is still constantly evolving and improving, and in the future, even if you are not a professional programmer, using Warp can enable you to accomplish many things that were once only possible for professionals. Number 5. For composers, Suno.
No need to ask why. In this funky rhythm, I'll find my way. Throwing all my worries, I'll just let it sway. Cry 2 tears in a bucket, funky. Gonna dance like there's no one watching. Don't quit when life gets tough, gotta groove and sway. Cry 2 tears, funky, let the music play.
Can you imagine that the music above is made by AI? Suno can directly generate songs based on key prompts or the lyrics you provide. Although there may still be some minor issues, overall, the music works generated by Suno are appreciative. And Suno is very fast and efficient. It can produce several songs within a few minutes, whereas it might take humans weeks to do the same. These are 5 AI tools that content creators must be familiar with. Making good use of AI tools can not only make our work easier, but also increase our competitiveness. If you want to know more AI-related information, please follow AI Hub.